What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Relentless to Detail, where we usually detail cars and make them look pretty. But on this episode, we're going to be attempting to probably revive one of the crustiest, rustiest, cancer-ridden cars on YouTube. This car originally started out as a vehicle that a gentleman brought to someone else to have restored, and he felt it was too far gone. So they found another body and proceeded to restore that one. And now I am acquiring the car with cancer. So they're going to rob what they want off the car, which is really just motor and trans. And I'm going to get what's left over. And then we're going to attempt to build a gasser. Hence to my 5-year-old, his choice. But here it is. It's a 1955 Bel Air Sport Coupe. Manual. The big 2 something V8. Not sure about rear end gears. But this is what we're looking at. Pretty rough. But, in my opinion, I've done a lot of body work. Done a lot of metal repair. So, really, some rockers, quarter panels, and fixing up some windshield and the pillars and stuff. I think it's revivable, especially as a rat rod gasser. So if you guys think you want to watch along on this journey, give us a like, a subscribe, comments, or even hints on to where I could hunt down parts and pieces. Anything's much appreciated. Likes and subscribes really help. That's the biggest thing. I know everybody throws that out there. But yeah. If we had enough subscribers, heck, YouTube could pay for this build. The minute we're going with a gasser, I mean, it's not going to be, beautiful interior and beautiful paint. It's going to be a couple bucket seats, a roll cage, straight axle front, big motor, maybe a blower, maybe not. Maybe we can find independent throttle bodies. Who knows? But if you feel like you want to watch us either make idiots of ourselves or make something cool, give us a like and a sub. Stay buffing.